Welcome to Opportunity Tuesday, your weekly window into aligned, actionable possibilities. This is your window to success. This series showcases real, qualified opportunities such as viable contracts, partnerships, and paid work vetted through the pipeline strategies. Each month, we highlight opportunities through 5 core channels: Sales PEO Marketplace, Procurement Partner Program, Soul Strategy Series, and more. From affiliate sales to government awards and brand partnerships, we build a path where mission meets money. Whether you're looking for a new contract, becoming more soul-aligned, or an income stream that fits your life, Opportunity Tuesday helps bring your mission and money together. Subscribe, share, and follow along, because your next opportunity might just show up on a Tuesday. Brought to you by the Pipeline Strategies, Strategic Resources, Soul-Aligned Results.